Last few sessions, we discussed about some basics of cyber security, like vulnerability, three-tier architecture, IT ecosystem, and what kind of vulnerabilities can come, what is the objective of ethical hacker, then three-tier architecture, principles of information security, the some of the important terms like vulnerability, asset, target, hacker, ethical hacker, different types of hackers that were done. And coming to the labs, we are done with SQL injection basics, like how do we bypass the login page, then checking the website is HTTP or HTTPS. Those are like very elementary topics. Going ahead, we need the lab setup, virtual lab setup, just like the way how I have this. This software is a VMware. Within this VMware, for example, if you see this picture on the left hand side, I have Ubuntu, then Kali Linux, then Windows 7, again Kali Linux. In this Kali Linux, don't worry about this. We have the applications list. It comes with some of the tools which are required for hacking, like Nmap, Wireshark. Just like Windows operating system, even we can work on this Linux-based operating system. Okay. For you to practice the labs from now onwards, we require this basic setup. Of course, there are few more tools are there that will do it as and then we get the lab on the specific category. At least for now, we have to work on this lab setup. We'll go through the step-by-step process and then you guys can do it parallelly along with me. Okay. Remember, VMware is required to set up virtual machines. For example, right now, I have my operating system of Windows 10 or Windows 11. If I install some tools here in this laptop, assume like it got corrupted, some or other reason. So definitely, there are chances that I may lose some sensitive information from my laptop, right? But as part of our hacking, learning hacking activities, we'll be installing lot of tools. So there are like more chances that our operating system may get some issues. That's the reason we need a virtual lab setup kind of thing where we can configure the operating system, reinstall the operating system, re-image the operating system as and then we require. For this laptop, I install hypervisor. Hypervisor is a software that is used for virtual machines. Over this hypervisor, I can run n number of operating systems, n number of virtual machines. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. So one machine I use it for hacking system, that is Kali Linux, hacker system Kali Linux. We need some targets, right? Let one target be Windows 7. Let another target be Windows 10. One target I try to install a website. Some sample website also I'll install in one more virtual machine. So these virtual machines, I can turn it on, turn it off, as and then I use it. If you check this lab setup, right now only Kali Linux is turned on. If I want to turn on Windows 7, I just click on power on this virtual machine. Machine will be ready. If I want to delete, I can delete this. That is the advantage of virtual machines. Okay, fair enough. Let us start with hypervisors. Remember, we are going to use VMware Workstation Pro as a hypervisor. We do have VMware providers, virtual machine providers. Like any other VMware softwares, Oracle VMbox is there. Even Microsoft also has the VMware support. How to install this step-by-step process? First thing is we have to install VMware. Then second, we need some extraction software. We install WinRAR. Then later, metasploitable Linux, which we use it for a website. Kali Linux image. Then for Windows 7, we use the ISO file download. TeamViewer. Okay, fine. Let us start with VMware now. Either you can copy paste this link, or I'll try to save this software in any of our. I don't use that link. It didn't copy. How do we install this? Go to the google.com. Search for VMware Workstation Pro. For Windows and Linux, here it is. Click on this download link. You have to log into this account or you need to sign up. Okay. Here there is an option of register. You can register in this website and then try to get the VMware software. This is one option, or directly you can take the downloaded version of my account, the tool which we have copied it in one location. Let me check that. We'll try to register, no issues, because I forgot where I have uploaded it. It is there in my downloaded link. Just try to do a registration and log in. Then later I'll show you the downloaded link. I'll do a password reset. Bangalore@gmail.com. Forgot password. Again, one more verification code. We should get password reset email link. Okay. Let me go ahead with the same password. So, okay. Why it's not taking? Oh, we'll give the last try, or else I'll share you that software directly. We can install it. Fine, guys. You can create the account and use the link which I have shared. Somehow it's not working. Reset password. What I do is I have this software, VMware software, VMware workstation. I'm trying to copy this in the shared drive, download it, and station. Download from the drive wherever you get the videos. Is it working? If it is working fine, then maybe you guys can download it by using the link which I have shared. Or else, in case if it is not working, try to take it from the drive wherever you get these videos. And then 1 minute. Take the installer from this location. All of you download this to your local system. After that, maybe one of you has to share the screen. I'll guide you how to install this VMware software. Who wants to share the screen? Yeah, go ahead. Share the screen.
Sir is asking for the request, sir, to download the VMware.
Sir, I have shared my screen. Can you check once?
Yes,
Is it
yes.
showing?
Go ahead. Right click and download that VMware software to your local system. Wait for some time. Guys, send that email ID in the group, the paid group. Share your email ID and
I can't see that file in the drive, the .exe1. Could you please share the drive link if
it's shared in the chat. Refresh the page. You should be able to get it. Not here, share it in the WhatsApp group. Our team will provide you the access. They'll give you the access in 5-10 minutes. Don't worry.
well, I don't have access yet. Meanwhile, I've signed into that Broadcom page. From there, how
After
can we download it?
login, I have shared the one link, first link. Click on that link, automatically you can select the VMware.
The GitHub one.
Yes, not GitHub. We'll come back to it. Okay, just wait for some time. I'll show the installation. Then later I'll guide you from the Broadcam how to download that.
Sir, can I go for this?
No, no, wait. Still the download is going on. Or is it already downloaded? No. In about 4 minutes. Don't use Oracle VirtualBox because there we don't have the multiple VMware support. The VMware was already there. Don't uninstall it. Keep it as it is. Directly we'll go for the virtual machines. I'm telling you the end-to-end flow. Let's wait. Any kind of executable. So go to the location. Go to the location. Wait for some time. Go to the downloads folder where the download is done. Wait. Don't do anything. Normally, we get around 7 to 10 softwares which are oftenly used. So let us create one folder in any C drive or D drive, depending on your laptop. C drive. Create a folder called lab or tools. Don't go to the users. Either in C drive itself you can create. Right click, create a folder called tools or CH labs like that. Double click on that. Cut and paste that installer into this drive because we are going to download few more tools. All those tools should come into the CH lab. Okay, now I'll show you the navigation steps for the installation. Double click on that. Go slow. Other members try to download it from the shared drive, Google Drive. In case of any challenges, we'll see. Wait, it will take some time. Wait for a minute. Let us go slow, step by step. Just follow the instructions. Click on next. I accept. Next. Select the checkbox hypervisor platform automatic. Next. Select the both checkboxes. First one you select enhance keyboard settings driver that needs to be installed. Select next. Uncheck those two, those are not required. We don't want to participate in any kind of enhancement program. Click on next. Next. Install. It will take another 2-3 minutes. After installation, we have to launch this application from the start menu. There again few more settings are there, I'll let you know.
Sir, recently have given an instructions. Is it to me or like for any other person?
Can you come again?
Recently have given some instructions, right? Is that to me or some other person with whom we are guiding?
Which instructions?
Right click and double check
Oh,
boxes
that is
clicking.
for you, Manikanta. Manikanta screen I am able to see. Even you guys should also be able to see the Manikanta screen. It is shared. Manikanta, Manikanta is there. Manikanta screen. If you click on that, we are showing you the installation process. Click on finish. Everyone are able to see, right? The screen. Don't click on restart. Okay.
Sir, like this, I have
Select-
to check this box or I have to leave.
No, no, wait. Manikanta, wait for some time because I'm guiding through the other person's screen. You can parallelly see that Manikanta is there, Manikanta is there. Manikanta screen, I am trying to guide you now. Select no. Now, just because we have this installed, or else, hold on, one participant can share the screen.
So, is this for how to download it from that Broadcom page?
Manikanta, reshare the screen one more time. Just share the screen. Okay. We have installed the VMware software. Now go to the start menu, search for VMware. Just type VMware. VMware Workstation Pro is installed. Click on that. Yeah, open or click. Just 2 minutes, guys. First, I'll show you the complete end-to-end installation flow. Later, I'll guide you other members. Don't try to provide any kind of key. Go to the second option with 70 to 30 days of trial. Click on continue. Finish. Okay. So after the installation, we get three options here. In the screen, you see that there is a create a new virtual machine. Means you are trying to create a operating system from the scratch. Don't click on that. Okay. Basically, the first option is all about uh, trying to configure a VMware by using the software ISO file. Second option is this one, open a virtual machine So here, this option will select when we have the image ready. If we have the image, then we go for the second option. First option is ISO file. ISO file. Okay. So this is how most of the cases we will be using in our lab. Connect to a remote server means like you have the set of VMware servers located in some ESX, uh, dedicated ESX server from by using the network. That's how we use this third option. But in our lab, we don't require this third option. Okay, we'll be dependent on only the first two options. Okay, till here, you guys, everyone has to do it. Once this is done, in case if okay, we need to download the images first. For Kali Linux, we have the image. Okay, so we need to download the Kali Linux image. I'll send you the link, or else I'll show you. It just takes 2 minutes. Later, I'll guide you the installation steps for VMware. Okay, thank you, Manikanta. Let me share my screen. You can unshare it because those who are done with the VMware lab setup, you can go ahead with the installation of metasploitable Linux. This is an image. I'm sending you the link and Kali Linux. Metasploitable Linux is 1 GB. Kali Linux is 2 GB. This is the metasploitable Linux. Kali Linux link also I'm sharing it. First, observe how I try to download this metasploitable Linux. Copy that link and paste it over the browser and click on enter. Okay, scroll down. It says like your download will start shortly. It started the download. For me, I don't require this, so let me cancel it because it is 1 GB file. Directly use this download link. The software or the image gets downloaded. The next one is Kali Linux. Kali Linux image. Copy this link here. Little confusion will be there. Enter. Okay, not this. kalilinux.org. Copy. Enter. Pre-built virtual machines means ready-made machine is there. You just need to download and use a VMware software. Scroll down. VirtualBox, hypervisor, and VMware. This is if you are using the virtual hypervisor as VMware. Oracle VirtualBox, then you need to download this. Microsoft Hyper-V, you need to download this. But we are using VMware. Always select the first one. This is a 3.2 GB file. Okay. It will download Kali Linux 2025.1 VMware AMD 64.7Z zip file. Click on this link. Automatically 3.5 GB, 3.2 GB of the image, Kali Linux image will be downloaded. So I have shown you two softwares which needs to be downloaded. Metasploitable Linux and Kali Linux. The software links also I have shared. This one is direct download, Metasploitable Linux. Just copy paste in the browser. It will start the download. Kali Linux, once you launch this URL, three options are there, but we have to go with VMware option. Okay, fair enough. Now I'm giving you the option to share the screen. Any challenges, anyone can share the screen. Kali Linux link, I have shared it in the chat. Yeah, Manikanta, okay, go ahead. Okay, select the checkbox. Select next. Yeah, select next. Next. Install. Wait for the complete installation and launch it from the start menu after the installation. In case any other person wants to share the screen parallelly, you guys can share it. I'll try to guide you. Venkata Srinath. Yeah, if you have finished the setup, no issues.
Um, for that, you must restart your system for the configuration. We should click it as no. Right?
You can directly do it, but in case if it prompted, good to restart.
Oh,
What is the RAM in this system, Manikanta? Yeah, Manikanta. What is the RAM?
16 GB, sir.
16 GB. Yeah?
Uh, it's a recently bought, like I have brought it last week.
Okay, it's taking more time to install.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to ask you, but I thought like the Wi-Fi connection is low.
No, but installation should go. Okay, maybe we have selected those two, but still it doesn't matter. Customer experience we have selected here in your case. It will go
Yeah.
through. Let us wait. Okay.
Okay.
Other Manikanta, you want to share the screen if you have downloaded any image? You can share it parallelly. Guys, I have provided the option of multiple screen share options. Multiple people can share the screen together. You guys need to switch the tabs. That's it. Anyone wants to share the screen? I'll guide you the further process. Okay. VMware is installed. Have you downloaded any of the softwares? Earlier software is downloaded, right? Kali Linux, you can pause it for some time. Kali Linux, pause it. Because that is 3.2 GB, it will take more time. Both the process is same for both metasploitable Linux and Kali Linux. I'll tell you for metasploitable Linux. You guys can do it for Kali Linux at home. Let's wait. Meantime, okay, go to the downloads, cut and copy to the folder of CH lab. Cut. CH lab, paste it. Don't do anything. We get most of the images in a compressed format. We have to extract it. That is the reason we try to download one more extraction software, that is WinRAR. Go to the Google, search for WinRAR download. One more tab. No, okay, WinRAR download.
Could you please share the Kali Linux and the Mat link once again? When I've restarted my system, I'm not able to see the chats.
Click on that download WinRAR. First link. Hold on, wait. There is a select for download option WinRAR 711 English 64-bit. Select that. No, not that. Maybe yes, that is also fine. Let us wait for some time. I'm sharing you the links of WinRAR also. Switch the tabs. Manikanta is sharing the screen, and even other M Manikanta also sharing the screen. Try to install the WinRAR now. Go to the downloads. Install. Wait for some time. Click on OK. Now go to the CH lab folder. Done. As it is the image. Wait. Refresh the page. Refresh it. Okay. Right click on metasploitable Linux. Right click. WinRAR. Go to the WinRAR last option. Extract to metasploitable Linux. Remember all the images first we try to extract. Metasploitable Linux, then Kali Linux. Both are images. Okay, extraction is done. Go to the VMware software now. VMware application. Select the middle option. Open a virtual machine. What is the RAM of your laptop? Total RAM?
16 GB.
16, right? Okay, that's good. Go to the lab folder. CH lab. Now get into the metasploitable Linux one more time. Configuration file. Select that VMX. Select that file. Open. Wait for some time. Maximize this page. There is an option of maximize the metasploitable Linux. VMware software. Okay, good. Hold on, don't do anything. By default, this metasploitable Linux comes with 512 MB, then 8 GB RAM, But the thing is, we have to make it little extend the memory and hard disk. Go to the edit virtual machine settings. We can adjust the RAM. Okay, here we have a scroll bar. Try to make it to 2 GB. If you have 16 GB RAM of your laptop, you can make it to 2 GB. Okay, just scroll it up. In case if you have 8 GB RAM for your laptop, go with the 1.5 for the people who are with 8 GB laptop. Okay, now we selected 2 GB. Now go to the hard disk, click on this hard disk. Right now, we have 8 GB, right? We need to click on expand. Try to expand that. Make it to 15, 1.5. Click on expand. Wait for some time. We are changing the RAM, we are changing the storage. Click on OK. Now all set, click on OK again. Wait. Power on the virtual machine. Hold on, wait. Click on OK. I copied it. This ensures your laptop is compatible for the VMware software and you can configure any number of virtual machines. Wait for some time. Process is same. Like you have to go to the open a virtual machine, go to the extracted version of the image of metasploitable Linux or Kali Linux. Parallelly initiate the download of Kali Linux. We have paused it. Just make it progress. On download network issue. It'll take more time. Anyhow, let it go in the background. Go to your setup. Wait for some time, another 2 minutes. Okay, wait for some time. Read the instructions. Login with MSF admin and MSF admin username and password. So type MSF admin. Type MSF admin and enter. Enter. It is prompting for the password. Enter again MSF admin, but the password will not be shown. It will be hidden. You just need to type MSF admin and click on enter. Okay. You can see that this is the username MSF admin at the rate system name is metasploitable Linux. Now that you have configured one virtual machine correctly, type host name and enter. These are the basic Linux commands. Everyone will be learning that in the further sessions. Enter. The computer name is metasploitable Linux, right? That's what the metasploitable Linux computer name. Type if config. Type if config to know the internal IP address of your laptop, of your metasploitable Linux. Internal IP address is 192.168.37.128. We have got one internal IP address per metasploitable Linux. In the same manner, just like the way how we have done for metasploitable Linux, download Kali Linux image, extract that image, go to the VMware software home, click on this home, come out of the screen, Alt plus Control. To come out of the VMware, Alt plus Control. The keyboard, if you type Alt plus Control, yeah, you came out of the screen. Click on the home. So again, you have to select open a virtual machine for the Kali Linux. Okay, once the Kali Linux is downloaded image, extract that image, open the virtual machine. It will take some time. You can do it later. Okay, extract that image, open a virtual machine, then keep the RAM as 2.5 or 3 GB because you have the 16 GB of RAM. For Kali Linux, you can go ahead with 3 GB RAM storage as it is same storage and do the configuration. Username and password for Kali Linux will be Kali Kali. In case if you are having 8 GB RAM for your laptop, then metasploitable Linux will be 1.5. Okay, 1.5 GB RAM, and Kali Linux will be 2 GB for Kali. Okay, that's how we have to do the configuration. Now everyone proceed as per the instructions. I have shared you the link. Along with the link, what I do is I'll try to share you the I'll try to share this file itself, tools download file. Okay. This file I'll be sharing it to you everyone VMware. The first link is all about downloading the VMware software. This was the old link which is not working now. Either you can download it here or download from drive. This is the first step. Number one, software. Number two is WinRAR. Try to download WinRAR also. It is just an extraction software. Number three is metasploitable Linux. This is a system which is used for website purpose. Number four is Kali Linux. Download and configure. Number three, download and configure. Windows 7 is there. We'll do it later. You can install TeamViewer and AnyDesk also. Okay. In case if you guys have any challenges in the setup or the labs, my team will connect with you with the help of TeamViewer and AnyDesk remotely to help you to solve any kind of doubts. We'll share the support numbers by 10 o'clock. You can message them in the WhatsApp for any kind of issues. Okay, great. Let me share this downloads tools download.txt. Uploading this file itself for your reference. All of you clear how to do a setup of VMware now? You can refer the video. I'll be sharing this video within 20-30 minutes. Go through the instructions, try to do the setup. And along with that, you may have to download the Windows 7 ISO file. Let me see if this link works for the Windows 7 ISO. Yes, it is downloading the ultimate version of Windows 7. Try to download this software also. Windows 7 ISO file. Is it clear? Some of the files which are large files are Windows 7 Ultimate. It is there in the download file. Kali Linux, metasploitable Linux. 1 GB, 1 GB metasploitable. Kali Linux is 3.2. Windows 7 is around 3 GB. Try to download and configure. For metasploitable Linux and Kali Linux, you need to select the middle option. Open a virtual machine. For Windows, you have to select the first option because that is an ISO file. For ISO file, you need to select create a new virtual machine. For images, you need to select open a virtual machine. I'll tell you how to configure the ISO file, create a new virtual machine. Then select next. You can see here, it is prompting for the ISO file. You need to select browse, see where you have downloaded the ISO file. Windows 7 Server 2008. I have given you for Windows 7. Okay. Select that. Automatically detects that it is a Windows 7 x64. Select next. In this drop down, no, in case if you have multiple options, don't go for home or classic. Select enterprise or ultimate. Use some password, some simple password like welcome. Welcome. Don't use any product key. Use the password which you can remember. Welcome, I have kept. Next. Say yes without product key. Again, say next. The RAM and the storage 16 GB, let it be. Select next. Now customize hard disk. Here you can change the RAM to around 1500, no need of 2000. 1500. Then rest of the things keep it as it is, 1,1. Click on close, finish. The moment you click on finish, just like the way how you install an operating system in your laptop, the same process will start. That blue screen with downloading the softwares, installing the softwares, that option will come. Okay. Okay, fine guys. This is all about the setup. Do you guys have any doubts? No questions? I'll be sharing the technical support team numbers. You can reach out to them in case if you get stuck during the lab setup. One common issue is some of you may get a prompt saying like VMware not supported or VMware has to be enabled. That is done in the BIOS. So message in the group that you have got this error. My team will help you. Okay. Fine guys. Thank you so much. We'll connect tomorrow again. Try to finish the lab setup, and it may take 1 or 2 days for some of you in case if we have some hardware compatibility. Okay, great. All of you post your attendance and log off. Name slash location slash your years of experience or fresher.
Sir, there is money here again.
Go ahead,
Still, it is installing. Like, I don't know what is the problem.
close and restart and then again do it. Let us,
Okay.
yeah.